Hello everyone! What triggered of this video started because I realized my path to immortality is hopeless. Stuck in a cramped car seat, the long and bumpy ride had my hemorrhoids screaming in agony. Since I haven't awakened any teleportation superpower, I had no choice but to resort to a deus ex machina, so I was forced to explore more advanced technology. But what kind of tech could actually improve transportation? Well, I kinda want to fly, so how about anti-gravity? Let's first take a moment to observe the whirlpools of the river. One way whirlpools form is when there's an obstacle in the river that alters the flow of water, creating a vortex. Interestingly, not all floating debris drawn toward the whirlpool actually enters its center. Some get trapped indefinitely in the outer circulating current around it. Next, let's take a look at an animation of the solar system. Doesn't it look strangely familiar to you? That's right, what this video aims to illustrate is that gravity, as we commonly understand it, doesn't actually exist. The formation of the solar system is just like a river whirlpool. It was shaped by external forces. What formed it was motion, the dynamic force of the cosmos itself. Dynamic forces struck celestial bodies, causing each to form a vortex centered on itself. Other celestial bodies were drawn toward the center of this vortex and merged with it. In the universe, we typically call such central bodies stars, or, in our own case, the sun. Meanwhile, other celestial bodies became trapped in the outer circulating flow of this vortex. In our solar system, these are known as the 8 planets, per Pluto having been demoted. The dynamic force of the vortex then impacted these 8 planets, causing each to generate its own smaller vortex centered on itself. Celestial bodies caught in the outer flows of these planetary vortices are what we call moons. This, in essence, is the principle behind the formation of cosmic systems. Proving the validity of my theory is actually quite simple, because only my theory can explain why every moon always orbits in the same direction as its host celestial body's rotation, without a single exception. It's certainly not due to geocentric gravity, nor the tongue-twisting term from angular mechanics. Only my theory can explain why the celestial body at the center of a vortex is continuously compressed by external forces, and as a result, it releases heat. Once such a body reaches a certain size, it heats up so intensely that it becomes a giant ball of fire, which we call the sun. If it's not massive enough, it becomes something like the Earth's core. My name is Key, and my theory is called vortex central pressure, or in short, centpression. I'll be sharing more ideas with you all in the future. It's a pleasure to meet you.